Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. I want to see if we can get a second entry short here. Also a little bit of resistance at this level. You can see we've got this pretty big downtrend. All the uptrends have played out, and this downtrend is pretty clearly in play. Looks like we may have this little micro uptrend, but with the overall strength of this downtrend, I'm okay kind of turning an eye to that. So let's see. Did close above the EMA, but now we're at the key entry point. So, and really we came off the lows of the trend channel, so coming off that key entry point may be really more desired anyway. Hopefully we can close below the EMA if we turn down here though. And I'll draw this just so you can see how it reacts. But if we get a good bar, I'm okay. We only have 2 touches of this, so I'm okay ignoring it. Let's see here. Looks like it's, well, it's turning now. Let's see. And it does close perfect, and we're in this. Going for 6. ATR is really low, so we're only going to go for 6, not the full 8. You can see those 2 clear legs back, and it's right at this key entry point. So, second entry. I mean, it doesn't get much better in this setup, frankly. Perfect bar, perfect setup bar. 2 legs back, second entry, key entry point, and we got the scalp there. And it's also almost like a little failed breakout of this little mini tight range we were just in. Let's see here. I'm going to keep this where it's at. I may take 10. We can get that. I'll probably trail because there is a little bit of support here. And we need to break lower, and we may come back and even test the bottom of this little mini range, but strong bearish bar there, so this downtrend may have precedence over this little baby range. So you can see we pretty much now it's looking more like a range day than anything. So on range days, prices will turn kind of randomly, but when you're in a clear trend like this, it's very likely going to stick to the trend. Momentum is clearly bearish here, and the bias is down. So trailed this bar as well. It looks like 10 points will be pretty much right at the bottom of this trend line, so we will take that. Hopefully it doesn't get us here. And really, this setup here is, I mean, one of the cleanest I've seen in a good little while. Very, very nice setup. And if you look over at this is the intraday, but if you look over at the daily, prices are really, really overbought, and you expect a correction pretty much any day now. Obviously, you got to stick with the local price action like Max talks about, but this is no surprise that we're turning down fairly strongly now. Surprised we rallied at the beginning of this morning, frankly. But we didn't reach the measure move, so we could go way further in this direction. We're getting real close to this runner. I'll trail this too, lock in about 8 or so points. And 1 tick away, and we got it. So we got the full 10 points there, 6 tick scalp. Second entry short, key entry point in EMA, great setup bar, great signal bar. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and doesn't get much more straightforward than that. Thanks.